there's a unit to check. We prepare 4 small battery to supply the DC input, and a scope to show the waveform. Most important, you need to prepare a current meter. We connect a wire on the winding of this current meter to show the current waveform and connect on the scope. When we are going to check this unit, very important, you can only check one PCB in one time. Right here, you need to remove the slave PCB output and the transformer. Now we are going to check the master PCB. In the first step, we turn on the battery power. Then we need to push button for repair mode. Very important, you have short circuit the TH2 right here. We use a short circuit jumper to short the TH2 so that we can enable the repair mode. Okay, push the button. Okay, now we turn on the unit. It is running the repair mode. It's the output voltage. Now see the meter, it's the waveform and the voltage of the master PCB. Wait for 10 seconds, the LCD show 0.0. 0.0 is the DC mode. There are 2 VR to check. The first VR, right here, you need to adjust the output voltage to around 235. Okay, let's see the voltage. When I adjust it, the voltage will change. You need to turn very slowly. Okay, now it becomes higher. Then on the other way, it will become lower. Okay, this voltage is what I want. Then we adjust the balance. It's a VR for transformer balance right here. Okay, you see now the waveform. If you turn clockwise, the waveform turn higher. Okay, we turn counterclockwise, the waveform turn low. Okay, it's unbalanced. The base turn the VR when the current waveform is very smooth, like this way. Okay, too high or too low is not suitable. Okay, now the waveform is smooth. Then the VR is adjusted. We get the current waveform and the voltage. When VR is no problem, we turn on the AC input. We can see the voltage of the input voltage on the LCD. Output voltage, input voltage. Then we can check for 0.1. Push the button. Okay, now it's the bypass mode. You need to see the waveform is the AC input and the AC input voltage in the bypass mode. At this status, I need to turn the battery to off. Then we go on to push the button. If the bypass is no problem, we turn on 0.2. This is the charger turn on, you can push the button to see the charging voltage peak value. Then we push again. It's the AVR booster mode. The AVR booster mode, you can see the output voltage becomes higher than the input. And push again, it step down. The output voltage in the AVR is step down. Push again for next step down. Okay, 0.5. Input, output is lower than the previous. Then push again. It will turn off the output. You can see the output waveform disappear. Then this is the final stage of the repairing mode. If you pass everything in the repairing mode, then this PCB is no problem.